And it leads to the final stage, Dennis. You've done everything all the way up to this point. You've done it all right. Now it's time to use a customer relationship management system, a CRM, to maximize your sales.
Correct. So now that you're doing everything right, you're sitting on a mountain of data. You're not giving up all your data to the third-party apps because most of them don't give the data back to you. You're collecting all that data, and if you followed through all of our steps, you're already starting to get some of this 25% increase. And again, Craig, we're saying 25%. If you really attacked it, or you really got your bar manager to get serious, or whoever the most sort of IT-friendly person is, invested in this concept and work with a company like Delivery Biz Connect for the ideas. Once you've got the ideas in place, man, it is so easy. Like, it's probably not 30 minutes a week of effort to be doing stuff that will literally, and the neat part about CRM and online marketing and all of that kind of stuff, or mobile marketing and email marketing, is it's not mysterious as to whether it's working, because everything can be coded and keyed, right? Bring this letter in, you get a free bag of chips. Great. So the pickup guy comes in and you hand him the free chips, and you know exactly what email got the attention because it's tagged in the email, right? Or he's tagged in your database. So there's no mystery as to what worked, how it didn't work. So if one thing worked and then you tried 10 things and they didn't work, go back to the thing that worked. Yeah. And it's just iterate. It takes very little time. Something is always better than nothing.
Right.
Action.